Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these easy black and white sparkle nails that are perfect for New Year's. To start, I'll be applying Get Mod from Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and in case you've noticed, I skipped the base coat since this line doesn't require one. Next, I'm going to use Onyx-pected to draw a line down the center of the nail, then I'll be filling in the one side. Now I'm taking Deep Sea Diamond, which is such a pretty glitter, and I'm going to apply it to the center of the nail, mainly focusing on where both shades meet. Then I'll begin to drag out some of the glitter to each side so it creates sort of this sparkled burst effect. And finally, I'm going to apply the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat for that super glossy finish and long-lasting wear. So that's it for this design. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and Happy New Year!